Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are installing these wheel arch trim pieces to the XC60. So this car is a very common sight here where I live, and you do see a lot of them on the road, and I do see some that has these wheel arch trim pieces on the car, which are located right here. And most of the cars that I have seen with these trim pieces, they are the newer ones, the 2025s and the 2026s. I do see a lot of them coming with this trim piece. Not so much for these older ones. So I went to the Volvo dealer and asked for these trim pieces to the car. And I was also unsure of what their function was. So I asked, and they told me it was to Alright, so with that said, let's install these pieces to the car. They are super easy. As you can see, there are just 2 screws. And so we'll take out the original screws. This one and this one. And install this right here. Alright, so we'll begin by removing these 2 screws. And now we'll do the lower one. And we'll clean the surface area a bit. So this is the left side of the car, so we'll use the left one. And we'll place it like this. And use the original screws to screw it back in. Alright, so this side is done. So we'll do the other side. Alright, so same thing over here. We'll remove these 2 screws, clean the area up, and install the trim. Most of the pieces are now installed to the wheel arches, and we do have both the mud flaps and the mud guards, which I did separate videos for. Now, when I was at the Volvo dealer, Volvo wanted $90 for these pieces, and I passed on those and got them instead from AliExpress. The kit also included a tool for the screws, which I did not use, but there is one if you need it. These ones from AliExpress were exactly the same as the ones from Volvo, so I got these instead, and they cost me $7, which is a big difference from the Volvo OEM ones. These had the exact shape as the Volvo OEM ones, so I got these instead. And I will put the link in the description below if anyone is interested in those. And as always, if you have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.